All right, guys. Look, I went to Best Buy today, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy me a new keyboard because I do need a new keyboard for my computer. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna buy a computer, new one. So I bought this for 39 bucks. Look at this, baby. I bought this for 39 bucks, and man, I was happy because I thought I was going to have to spend some harder money. So we're gonna unbox this thing. See, look at that. It says low profile gaming computer from Razer. Look at that. It was RGB. Cool. Cause I need a new one because the other one, I'm not gonna wait until that thing breaks. The cable snaps. So let's unbox it. I had to get the knife because it has stick tape on it. You got your book. Look at it. You got your manual. It's right there. I don't need a manual for a keyboard. See, look at that. Look at that. 39 bucks. That's not bad. Compared to what you have to always pay for a keyboard that lights up. Cause I needed a lighted up keyboard. So, let me see. Same thing. Oh, we got the thing. I gotta hook it up. I'll hook this up too. But I don't know if I'm gonna hook that up. Let's first take it out. Let's see how you put this thing on it. Let's see how you put this thing on it. check that out. You get stickers. Look at that. You get stickers to put on it. All right, so we got to unplug the old keyboard. Let me get that. So I got to wind my hand up. I think it is. No, not that one. There's so many wires. Here we go. So here's the keyboard right here. So we're gonna pull it out. Bam. My internet's still on. So no, that wasn't it. It's this one. It's this one. So it was up top. So we can pull that. All right, so we got it. Let's fold this off. Boom. Look at that. All right, let's put it in. Oops. Put it in. Bam. And there you go. Hold on. Okay, there you go. Because I want to show you how the light. Look at the light. And see, now you got to get the app for it. Ooh, is it changing colors? Sure is. Now this is 39 bucks I paid for. 39 bucks at Best Buy. $39. Look at it, RBGN. Look at that. Now let me go find the app. Look at this one. Look at that. It's spill resistant. Silent. Look at that. Low profile keys. Now I gotta get the app. Hold on. In the back of the box. Let's see what we got. $39 I paid for this. Powered by Razer. Now I gotta figure out how to do. You have to go pick this app up. So yeah. Look at that. So that's it. I'll make another video if I have to get the app. Okay.